Hello guys, in this video I will show you three websites alternatives to Claude Code. Claude Code, as you all know, it's not a free software. Its pricing is available for $17 in the subscription. So for this I will show you three websites that I personally use. It's similar to Claude, Opus, free and unlimited. So they don't offer any kind of subscription. So the first website is LlamaCoder.together AI. I have given all the links in the description of the video. The very first website which comes right here. The interface looks quite simple. This is completely open source as well. So you can see it's got almost 6,000 GitHub stars. So you can just use this similar to Claude Code. No Ollama needed, no NVIDIA needed. You can run this online. You can switch the model as well. Simply select your model. Various models are also there. So right here you simply type what sort of application you want to generate. So I will simply say build the image to PDF web application in browser. As you simply enter it, now it will simply create a React application for you. You can even mention the framework as well. So now you can see the application will be created and all the source code will be also be generated. So it's creating your app. In the meanwhile, let me show you the second website that I use. So you can see that now all the files will be automatically created by AI. You can see it's coding each file at a time here. So everything will be generated for you. So it's a React application. So it will go through each component, each file and generate all the code for you. So you can just see on the right hand side. So once it completes, it will also run the application for you. So this LlamaCoder is open source, completely open source, and you can generate unlimited applications by a simple prompt, and then the AI will generate the application for you. So once it completes, it will automatically run the application as well. So this is the code screen. This is the live preview section. You can see that all the files are coded inside TypeScript. So each and every component has been successfully generated. As you can see right here, all the source code is also generated. So it's automatically building out your application. So automatically your application has been built similar to Claude Code. Claude Code also offers this functionality. So this is the first alternative that you can use, LlamaCoder.together AI. And you also have the option to download the source code. You click the download button, all the source code will be downloaded. The second website is coder.qwen.ai. This is a Chinese based model. Qwen, as you all know, it's completely open source. It's a powerful model. If you open this directly, this Qwen coder allows you to make your applications. So first of all, you need to log in with your Google account. I have already done that. So then you need to connect your GitHub repo. I've already connected my GitHub account. So the interface will look something like this. I've already connected my GitHub repo. After that, you can ask any sort of question. You can simply say, so you can just write the prompt here, and after that, the AI will start developing the application for you. You can even make the changes publish to GitHub directly after it generates. You can directly push the changes to GitHub as well. So the Qwen coder will start developing the application for you. You can see that it also have its own CMD command line interface similar to Claude Code. It can generate execute commands directly inside this terminal. So this is the second website, coder.qwen.ai, and the third one is, you can see it start developing the application for you. And the third website is arena.ai. So this is also previously called as LM Arena. So this is again an open source free unlimited website where you can chat with premium models directly, side by side comparison, agent mode, battle mode between two models. So if you simply select direct mode, You can select here all the premium models. As you can see, is available directly inside this website. So right here you can search for your favorite model. If I simply write here Claude here, all the models will come right here: Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus. So from here, Claude code, you can directly use it online. Select the model. After that, you ask the question. We have different web interfaces right here. You can perform web search, you can generate images, you can also build apps and websites. You toggle this mode. After that, if you want to build out a Pinterest clone, so you simply return the prompt here. Automatically this website will write the prompt for you, and automatically it will start developing the application for you. All the source code will be generated. You can see that it's developing this React application for you. So it will install all the dependencies for you and then write all the components step by step as Claude Code does. So if you don't want to purchase Claude Code for trying $17, these three websites that I showed you in this video will be more than enough. It is similar to Claude Code. It is better than I think. I'm using it for past 6 months and it is not giving me any kind of problem. So it will also save you a lot of time as well. So you can see all the two files are successfully created. This is your image to PDF application. So this Qwen coder created this full stack premium looking application. Almost 600 lines of code has been successfully generated. So then you can publish these changes to GitHub, your GitHub repo after generating this application. Similarly, we also have this Arena AI. This also is free, unlimited website. So once it publish the changes, it will build out your application and show the live preview right here. And you also have the download button to download all the source code as well. So all these three websites are limitless. It doesn't It is completely free and unlimited for lifetime. It doesn't, you don't need to pay anything right here. So this are three great alternatives to Claude Code. If you are looking forward for, you can even ask a follow-up question simply. So you can even ask follow-up questions as well. If you don't like the UI, then it will change the UI for you. Automatically, it will rewrite the file that contained the UI code here. Automatically, all the components will be rewritten and then it will rebuild the UI for you. So this will save you a lot of time creating out different prototypes for your applications. So you can just see the speed of just generating the code right here. It just take 10 seconds to create the application. It automatically builds out the application for you. And instantly a new application has been generated. So using a simple prompt, you can see that now the UI looks little bit more professional. The color scheme is automatically changed right here. So you can share this application as well by clicking the share button. If you click the download button, all the files will be downloaded inside a zip file. So this makes it easy for you to prototype a good project directly right here and download the source code. So this will save you a lot of time, similar to coder.qwen.ai. And then we also have arena.ai. So these three websites are really good. So this also are building out the application for you. So once it completes, it will show you the live preview. So if you're interested in these three websites, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video if you like these three websites.